In this video, I will show you how to copy signature from PDF to another PDF, even scan. So first you need to do is you need to have a signature, and then after that, search for snipping tool and then click on it, and you will see the snipping tool here. So click on snipping area and choose rectangle. So you need to follow this instruction. Press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. And after that, capture your signature here. And then click on it. And after that, you can drag it. So I minimize this Acrobat, and then I will go to new tab where I can paste it, and then right click and click on copy. And here, type Ctrl V, and then you can resize it. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.